All right, I need you to hush. Need you to hush. Yo, what's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Welcome back. Darren B here, Black Diamond FX. Trying to see what happened, man. We had our ES. Hold on, this is NQ right here. We had our ES trade. I'm trying to figure out what happened, right? So we had our 8:30 candle. Let's go on a 30-minute time frame, right? So this was our 8:30 candle. We marked it up right here. And we were expecting bearish, right? We got in the entry. Hold on, let's see. We got in the entry, I want to say around here somewhere. Let me see. Go to 15. Go to the 5-minute. All right. So we got in an entry here. It started coming down. Was doing good, up 600. Then all of a sudden, whoop, it went back up. All right. So when it went up, I'm like, huh? What happened? It went up, came down, bounced off, looked like it was going bullish. All right. And I just watched it. So looking at it right now, this looks like a liquidity sweep. This looked like a liquidity sweep right here. All right. As you can see how it went up here? This is almost like a consolidation. Then we get a liquidity sweep. Then look what happened. So it did go bearish, but not from where we thought it would. All right. Looked like it tapped into this higher time frame fair value gap right here. Then came down. As you can see, we broke structure right here, came back up, never broke this high, and then started coming down. All right. So it kind of did what we wanted to do, but it just moved up a little bit higher. Definitely stopped us out. Um, One person in our group, Anna, she made like $500 on this one. Of course, I lost. I took a loss on this one. All right, but it's all good. It's all good. We're gonna bounce back on Monday and Tuesday of next week. All right. But that's what I want to show you guys, man. Now look like gold should have been the trade. Gold was the trade that we should have taken right here. All right. But the thing is, let's look at gold. Gold never broke out. Let's look at the 5:30 candle. I mean the 8:30 candle. I'm sorry. Look at this. Gold never broke out. I was expecting gold to come out the bottom and then go up. Watch. 15-minute. See right here? And actually it did. It tapped fair value. It did tap fair value. I missed that. I missed that. I think I was more focused on ES than actually trading gold. But I missed it. And look what happened. Whoop, straight to take profit. And this was, let me see. Let me see how much this is right here. Y'all excuse the noise in the background. My family just enjoying the summer. All right, so if I did a buy limit from 3361.9, which came in the middle of the FVG, 61.9, and took it up to my target. This was my target right here at 3376.9. 6.9 would have made a cool 1500 on that. That should have been my target. That should have been the trade. That should have been the trade. But it's easy to say that after it's all over with. But I mean, it's all good. We will bounce back on Monday. Silver, I was waiting for silver to do something. Silver didn't really do anything. All right. I mean, it did go up, but it didn't give me no kind of entry. All right. 15-minute, 5-minute. See that? Nothing. Nothing. So today was one of those days. Today was one of those days. Now, looking at this, because this is something that kind of stumped me for a minute. We had divergence. We had SMT divergence on NQ and ES. Take a look at this. So this was NQ. NQ broke this high, took out this liquidity, started coming down. This should have been, I guess this should have been my clue. This should have been my clue that price was going to do this, especially with ES. Look what ES did. ES pretty much did this. See, NQ went up, took out liquidity and came down. ES came down. All right, started coming down here. then came and actually made equal highs or relative equal highs, then started coming down. All right. So I should have took that page from from NQ, swept liquidity inside fair value gap, higher time frame fair value, and then started coming down. All right. But like I said, all that's easy to see in hindsight. Look, and this is on the 2 hour right here. Boom. If I would have waited, but I didn't see that happening. All right. I didn't see that happening. Look, we got a sweep right here, right there. If I go down to the one, let's see. Look, see, sweep, sweep right there inside fair value. 30-minute, 15. Where was our entry? Our entry was right here. Look what happened. Sweep. We swept liquidity, came down, took this low, went back up. Look, fair value gap right there. Boom. This was our entry right here at this week. Go down to the 5-minute, right there. Inside this fair value gap. This was our NQ entry. Right there. Boom. All right. But that's how things happen. But Monday we will be looking forward to something and we'll see what we get. We'll bounce back strong. All right. I just wanted to share this with you guys. Hope you have a great weekend. Get in them charts, study, back tests, and I'll talk to you guys later. Y'all have a great one.